In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can unlock the Pi token on the Pi network in the easiest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to Pi now. In the case that you don't have the Pi network unlocked, what you can do is you're going to go over to your balance dashboard. And first of all, you're going to go to transferable balance and go to view checklist. Now once you're over here, it's going to say download the Pi browser app, create a Pi wallet, confirm your Pi wallet and commit to lockup configuration. And what happens after that is that you're going to get the Pi token for yourself. So here, as you can see, I have the Pi browser app right here in front of myself now. Once we have this, as you can see, currently I don't have balance on myself, but I can simply request that from someone else's side, and that is basically how you're going to be unlocking the Pi token for yourself. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.